Who's that? Who's... That's right, that's Mama. Do you want to play with the car with me?
Yeah.
Yep, car. Can I push it with my nose?
No.
Yeah.
No.
You gotta get it ready. Okay, you ready? You have to move your hand.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like a little bathtub for your Royal Mail truck. Yeah. Is it your job to wake up the neighbors? Mr. Milk Mustache? Can it go on your head? Can it go on my head? Yeah. Down my cheek. Down my cheek. Over my ear. You want to do the other ear? Hello. It's a car phone. Hi.
Hi.
Is Cody there? What's up? Nice. You want more? You want more driving mail truck on Daddy's head?
Can you drive it on Daddy's elbow?
Elbow. Elbow.
Ow. Oh. That mail truck's got good power. Go straight up hills.